In 1860, a peculiar incident occurred at the University of Bologna. A student, Giovanni, was caught scribbling notes during an exam. His excuse? He claimed a bird, a European starling, had whispered the answers to him. This bizarre defense echoed the legend of Emperor Frederick II, who allegedly taught birds to speak. Was Giovanni inspired by history, or was it a desperate ploy? The professors, amused yet skeptical, decided to test the bird. Unsurprisingly, it failed. Giovanni was reprimanded, but the tale of the talking bird became a campus legend. Like, subscribe, and comment to support us.